Yeah, we outside today. Bear Mountain Cruise, GQVQs, PUREVQs, and a couple other teams, but the only official ones that we govern is PUREVQs. So yeah, cruise, chill vibes, and all the good shit. Say good morning, my peoples.
Yo, what's good?
Good morning, wake and bake, wake and bake. You know what I'm saying? That's how we do it. We got the donuts, we got the Dunkin', we got the bud, we got people outside, we got all types of whips. Yo, say morning to YouTube. Yo. Whole gang out here. You know how we do it. I'm gonna fucking bring you guys some nice little quality content today. Mad excited for this cruise. Shit's gonna be lit. Yeah, some fire cruise content, some pictures, some videos over there, and all around good fun times. All right, so stay tuned, guys. Subscribe, comment, like. Yeah, and we're gonna get this show on the road. And see y'all if you, yo, Mr. President. Mr. President, say morning to YouTube. What's good, my brother? I see you out here.
Look at this ghetto shit going on. They washing they fucking hose. You next, Winnie?
Yeah, nigga.
You next, Winnie?
You trying to join the line?
No. You?
But not least, we have Mark Phillips with men's instigating.
Yo, go get that man! Go get that man! Go get that man! Yeah, Hammond gang! So you ain't gonna do my game like that. Look, do it again. One more time. One more time. One more time. Oh, get that man! son. GQVQs, we out here right now. We in Bear Mountain. Just drove all the way from Brooklyn. It was a good ride. Feel me? Got the whole crew back here. Got the whole scenery, son. We just vibing out for the day. You feel me? Let's go. We out here, man. Bow.
Yo, what's up guys? Made it out here to Bear Mountain. Finally, this is the spot that usually come to. It's pretty sick if you guys can't tell. You got like the bridge in the background, this river. I think this is the Hudson actually. Don't quote me on it, but I think it's actually the Hudson. Yeah, and it's just like a sick place for take pictures and videos. You guys can see. Yard one's car, Jay's car, this is right there. That shit is beautiful. On bags. Sheesh. And we're all basically lining up to take pics right now. We got Chubbs right here and the blue one. It's mine, Stefan, Peso, Slacker.
Yo, what's up? We out here, GQVQs, PUREVQs, we in Bear Mountain, Big Bear Mountain. Oh, look at this, man. This is like VQ heaven out here, man. We lit. Yo, let me tell you something. I put it in the chat where we were meeting up. You guys have to look in the chat.
Really, nigga?
Put it in the chat. On God.
Listen.
On God. On God. On God.
Listen.
On God.
These the niggas.
This is why you meet up. When we meet up in the morning as a team and you don't come late.
Listen.
We was meeting out in the van. But wait. Hold on. This is why you meet up.
How's the communication with
I love you guys. I love you.
Justice with you, right?
My niggas. I love you, my niggas.
Y'all need to. Yo, we're going home. Yo.
You take a look.
Yo, man. Start the car. Yo, you can start the car. We're going home. Yo, we're going home.
What happened?
Fuck that. We're going home.
State your complaints.
Yo, we're
Get off this. We're leaving. What's going on? What's really going on?
What is that?
Yo, who the Nah.
How this nigga in the car, bro? Lucky I wasn't with us because we almost died on the highway anyway.
All y'all going ahead. What? You right there. Here. You. Here. You.
Slacker Pro. We out here at, I think, Palisades Mall. We out here getting some food. We had a nice little crew from Bear Mountain. We're trying to get something to eat.
Yo, I know you getting the glizzy, son. Yo, he ordered a glizzy? Let me see. He ordered a glizzy, bro. It says
No glizzy,
large
stop.
glizzy.
Yo, you good? Mind your glizzy that you just ordered.
Let's get the camera here. What's that? A crispy chicken sandwich. I got fries. Alright, and I got more fries.
He's safe.
Yeah, I'm safe.
Alright,
Safe.
alright. My fault. I apologize. You safe out here. I get it. But we just finished up the cruise. Get some food real quick. We about to, you know, refuel, rest up, and head back to New York. Head back to Brooklyn.
Say that.
Everywhere. And we all over. We outside.
Get your glizzies.
Yo, great day today at Bear Mountain, PUREVQZ, GQVQs. We had a great time. Linked up with both of the teams, you already know. The family's outside, Menace and Maximus as well. Feel me? We outside, man. It was a great day, great cruise. We out here in the mountains. GQVQs. You know what I mean? VQ.
You know the vibe.
You know what I mean? You know the
fucking
vibe.
vibe.
We outside. We outside.
We had a great time.
Great time. Great time.